Thokozani, emakhosini, thokozani popopo, thokozani mkhulu, thokozani everyone that is watching this video. Sanibonani. So I'm back again with another ritual that you can do at home. At home. Le ritual le yimali. Wena lothini gogo imali ayihlali. Gogo nje angabe kufanele ngiqale kuphi gogo, I can't afford anything gogo nje. Ngisho imali angiphiwa mina angibonakali nje acace ukuthi kwendakala nempilweni yami. Gogo ngifuna imali. Okay, buya la. So utongitholela this vimbela, the green one. I hope niyayibona. Ngitholela le vimbela lena, and then utongitholela amafutha 3-in-1 abhale ukuthi mpungane semali vuma. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, something like this. Already used it. Ayibona. Yes, 7. And then you're gonna get lelona le like oil lena imali, and then utongitholela nang futhi lo ngena konke lo utongitholela nang. So lana nakhona ne utothola i-container ne where you're gonna transfer lelona levimbela lena kuyo ne, and then utokala nawo utobona ukuthi ukala njani, kala ngemehlo akho ubona ukuthi okay lo kuningi lo kuncane inini etikalela man, because usenza isandla sakho, unless if it was me ngikalela, you understand, akudingakala ukuthi uyifake yonke, fake kahle nje ukale, and then uthele nalena futhi nalona uyathela ama droplets la 10 or 20 kuku, because uyanukelela lo, so ungamfaka kakhulu because unukelela kakhulu like yeah, but unukelela kahle, just that kuthi mini yeah, I don't prefer the strong man. I don't like it, you understand. Ngithanda ukuthi ngimtide naletinye izinto anukelele the way ngimfuna ngakhona, but unukelela kamnanzi akekho phela afana nevimbe linuka kabi, but nalo itonukelela kahle. So uyakumixa konke lokhu, uyakumixa ngiva ukuthi ngithini, and then unga-add kancane i-holy ash kuku, uyakumixa. Nawuceda ukumixa ke, remember ukuthi uqale u-cleanse guys. I can't stress this enough. Uya-cleanse kuqala before you do ma-rituals okuthandzeka, ama-rituals emali, you understand, ama-rituals o-attractor and all that. Qala ngoku-cleanse kuqala kuze ukuthi letinto tikhona ukukusebentela, angeke kusebentele umtimba wakho uthwele timfene, uthwele tipoko, uthwele tinto letibheke eceleni, you understand. So qala ngokuthi uqale ususe nje lo lokubheke eceleni kuze ukuthi khona ukuthi u-attract. I hope ukuthi ngiyavakala. So utokumixa lokhu ndzawonye, uyakumixa, and then awuceda ukukumixa ke, so utawugcobisa. It's either ugcobisa la emashini akho emva kwetindlebe or etandleni takho, but fanele unukelele, you understand. So make sure ukuthi nawuphuma it's either emsebentini kumbe it's a gathering or whatever event that you wanna attend or you're going to attend, make sure ukuthi uyagcobisa kuze ukuthi imali itokhona ukuthi ikulandzele, ikhona ukuthi ivele, you understand. So please, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi please make sure ukuthi uya-cleanse kuqala before usebenzisa any ritual combo that's gonna help you attract money, attract whatever that you wanna attract. Qala ngoku-cleanse kuqala ususe sinyama. Thokozani emakhosini. I hope you guys love this video. Thokozani, bye.